So the next show that's going to be coming up is a very special show for all the mommies and their babies. So it's Baby Matters to Us is next with Sarika. So enjoy the next show, and if you have any questions or comments for Sarika, you can email her at sarika@radiofundu.com. And sunte rahiye Radio Fundu. She's up next.
Tired of bad breath problems, stained teeth, fillings and crowns falling apart, root canals hurting? Call Dr. Navjot Pandrop at 408-739-6520. Dr. Navjot has over 10 years of experience and works with a great team of specialists and dentists like Dr. Breitenbach. They're conveniently located in Sunnyvale at 689 East Remington Drive, Suite B, across from the Sunnyvale Community Center. Most insurance plans accepted. Same-day emergency appointments available. Call today to make an appointment at 408-739-6520 and receive special discounts for bringing in friends and family. Take advantage of your yearly maximum and FSA before December for checkups and cleanings. Get a free whitening kit with the treatment, valid for new PPO and cash payments on treatments for this month only. To make an appointment, call today at 408-739-6520 or visit AmazingSmilesDental.com.
Hello and welcome to Baby Matters on Radio Fundu. मैं हूँ सारिका. Babies matter to us. In fact, they mean the world to us. So let's talk Baby Matters. दोस्तों, एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है आपके ही अपने शो में, जिसमें करते हैं हम ढेर सारी बातें बच्चों के बारे में. शेयर करते हैं टिप्स, रिव्यूज, होम रेमेडीज, सुनते हैं प्यारे प्यारे गीत और भी बहुत कुछ, with the hope that we can learn from each other as a community. This time I'm going to start the show with an old but very, very beautiful song. मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई. ओ मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी. उसकी बातों में शहद जैसी मिठास, उसकी सांसों में इत्र की महकास, होंठ जैसे के भीगे भीगे गुलाब, गाल जैसे के दहके अनार मेरे घर आई. ओ मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी. उसके आने से मेरे आंगन में खिलते फूल गुनगुनाई बहार. देखकर उसको जी नहीं भरता, चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार, चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार मेरे घर आई. ओ मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी. मैंने पूछा उसे कि कौन है तू, हंस के बोली कि मैं हूँ तेरा प्यार. मैं तेरे दिल में थी हमेशा से, घर में आई हूँ आज पहली बार मेरे घर आई. मैं तेरे दिल में थी हमेशा से, घर में आई हूँ सिर्फ पहली बार. दोस्तों, ये गीत मैंने इतनी बार सुना है, पता नहीं इत्तेफाक है कि इन लफ्जों को इतना गौर से सुना है या फिर पेरेंट बनने के बाद चीजों को देखने का, चीजों का सुनने का नजरिया बदल गया है. Like I said, I've heard this song so many times, but these lines really touched my heart. And today, as a parent, the way I interpret these lines is that God sends us all with this beautiful gift in our hearts to love immensely, unconditionally, to nurture, to give selflessly. ये जज्बा हम सब में है, ये क्षमता, ये काबिलियत हम सब में है प्यार करने की, देने की. For some of us, it takes shape and form when a beautiful child comes into our home. जब वो हार्ड मास्क का शक्ल लेकर हमारे प्यार के रूप में हमारे घरों में आता है. बहरहाल स्टूडियो का माहौल सेंटिमेंटल ना करते हुए बात बढ़ाती हूँ आगे. नर्चरिंग की बात चल रही है तो one of the responsibilities we have as parents is to nurture our kids' minds, their talents, their interests. And I wanted to share a very nice website with you all called kidsexcel.com, KIDZEXCEL.com, kidsexcel.com. I know that a lot of parents are looking for spring break ideas for their kids. You're also looking for summer camps. This is a great website to go to. kidsexcel.com bhandar hai ideas ka. Think of it as an online portal which connects parents with after school activity providers. और अगर आप एक्टिविटी प्रोवाइडर हैं तब भी आप इस वेबसाइट पे जाके अपने आप को लिस्ट कर सकते हैं फॉर फ्री. इफ यू हैव अ म्यूजिक स्कूल, अ डांस स्कूल, इफ यू आर अ पार्टी एंटरटेनर, गो टू kidsexcel.com and list yourself for free to target an audience of mothers and parents. अभी मेरे साथ स्टूडियो में है शिल्पा डालमिया, फाउंडर ऑफ kidsexcel.com. शिल्पा, वेलकम टू बेबी मैटर्स. और ये बताइए कि किड्स एक्सेल का जन्म कैसे हुआ?
Sarika, thank you so much for having me on the show. Let me just give you a brief background about myself. So, I'm a mother of two kids, 8 and 5-year-old. As a parent, I constantly struggled with trying to find after-school activities for my kids, like summer camps, soccer class, piano class. And I found myself asking other parents, posting on community mailing lists, wading through various parent magazines, Google search. All in all, it was just a very time-consuming process.
I can imagine.
Yeah. And, you know, I always felt that how wonderful it would be if there was just one online resource, you know, where I could just enter my search criteria and would pop up with various choices with reviews by other parents that would then ultimately help me make an informed decision. Now, I'm a software engineer by profession, and I took a 2-year break in my career to spend, more time, more quality time with my kids. That's when I thought, why not make use of my skills and build this system which would help me and other parents like me who are in a similar situation. And वही जन्म हुआ Kids Excel का.
All right. Well, the website does seem wonderful, Shilpa. From whatever I've seen so far, there are lots of listings of classes, camps, party entertainers. I must say I was really impressed. It seems like a one-stop shop. So congratulations on that. But if I could just play devil's advocate just for a moment for all the skeptics out there. Like you said, there are so many websites out there and you could spend the whole day looking for the right thing. But what distinguishes kidsexcel.com from these other websites? लोग kidsexcel.com पे क्यों जाएं, कहीं और क्यों ना जाएं?
Thank you, Sarika. You're absolutely right. Yes, there are a lot of other resources out there. But one of the key things is, yes, this website is built by a mom who understands the audience very well. It's a very kid-centric website which helps parents discover various kids' activities that they never even knew about. We have an extensive search criteria, a very comprehensive providers listing, including small independent providers, and a great ratings platform. In addition, parents can also connect with other parents and set up carpools to basically, drive their kids around to the same activities.
Wow, carpools does seem like a pretty distinguishing feature. And you know what, Shilpa, मैं जब website को देख रही तो for me the biggest surprise was cooking classes. I had no idea there were cooking classes out here for little kids. Wonderful. बातों का सिलसिला रखेंगे जारी, पर अभी करते हैं थोड़े से गियर्स शिफ्ट और बात करते हैं अपनी डेंटल एक्सपर्ट से, डॉक्टर नवजोत पंचरथ. वेलकम अगेन टू बेबी मैटर्स, डॉक्टर पंचरथ.
Thanks, Sarika, for having me here.
Dr. Pancharath, as you probably know by now, has several years of experience, and she works with a very competent team in her Sunnyvale clinic. And I can tell you from personal experience that she's particularly good with kids. बड़ी patient है, बड़ी compassionate है. You will never see her rushing through things. If you want to set up an appointment with her for either your kid or yourself, call 408-739-6520. आप उनकी वेबसाइट पे भी जा सकते हैं, AmazingSmileDental.com. तो डॉक्टर पंचरथ, how about we do something fun this time?
Sure, Sarika.
तो आज थोड़ी रैपिड फायर स्टाइल क्वेश्चनिंग हो जाए.
Definitely.
तो ऐसा है कि कोई भी इशू कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली एक वर्ड में या एक सेंटेंस में डिस्कस तो नहीं हो सकती, बट आई एम होपिंग दैट वील बी एबल टू आंसर द क्वेरीज ऑफ सम ऑफ द पीपल हु बीन सेंडिंग अस ईमेल्स, और लगे हाथ लिसनर्स की थोड़ी जनरल नॉलेज भी टेस्ट हो जाए.
Sure.
ऑल राइट, तो आप तैयार हैं? तो शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से. व्हाट इज बेटर, ब्रशिंग बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड या ब्रशिंग इन द मॉर्निंग?
Brushing before going to bed, Sarika, because आप उतना salivate नहीं कर रहे हैं, fluids नहीं ले रहे हैं, तो pretty much bacteria get a good environment to grow at night. So brushing before going to bed would definitely be a great recommendation.
Apples या grapes?
Apples. That's why they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Right.
तो apple जो है उसमें roughage और fiber होता है, and it cleanses your teeth and gives you the vitamins.
अच्छा, ये बताइए कि फ्लॉसिंग करने में और यूजिंग माउथ वॉश दोनों में कौन सी चीज बेहतर है?
Flossing is better because mechanically जो है आपके बैक्टीरिया फ्लॉसिंग से बेटर रिमूव होते हैं वर्सेस माउथ वॉश जो सिर्फ बैक्टीरिया को कोट करके मारने की कोशिश करती है.
अच्छा, तो ये बताइए कि इन्फेंट्स का माउथ रिंस करना या वाइप करना, व्हाट इज बेटर?
Wiping would be better, Sarika, because आप wipe करने से again mechanically remove कर रहे हैं बैक्टीरिया को versus just rinsing them out superficially.
Using mouthwash or brushing with toothpaste, what's better?
Definitely brushing with toothpaste would be better because toothpaste addresses both gum disease and cavities, whereas mouthwash जो है सिर्फ gum disease को target करता है ज़्यादातर. But yeah, there are some mouthwashes which are anti-cavity also. But my recommendation is to use both of them together. They work very great.
All right. अच्छा, ये बताइए कि अपना टूथब्रश हमें कितनी देर तक रखना चाहिए? Can we use it for less than a year or more than a year?
Very good question, Sarika. The ideal recommendation I would say is 2 months, but I'd say कि 2 महीने के बाद आप अपना ब्रश चेक करें for fraying of bristles, because frayed bristles जो हैं आपके gums और दांतों को damage कर सकते हैं. So it's better to dispose it when it's getting frayed.
I see. So dispose your toothbrushes within 2 to 3 months maximum. अच्छा, ये बताइए gum और candies?
I'd say gum is better, sugar-free gum especially, Sarika, because क्या होता है कि it has cleansing effect on the teeth as well as you salivate more. तीसरी चीज है उसके अंदर कई protective sugars होती हैं that are more anti-cavity. And I'd say एक disclaimer लगाऊंगी यहाँ पे कि जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनके लिए it's not good because they could choke on them.
डॉक्टर पंचरथ, मैं आपसे थोड़ी सहमत नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे. गम और कैंडीज अगर मुझसे कोई पूछता तो मैं कहती गम्स एंड कैंडीज एंड चॉकलेट्स एंड केक्स एंड कुकीज, ब्रिंग देम ऑन. वेल, थैंक्स टू माय स्वीट टूथ, आई कैन नॉट रेजिस्ट एनी ऑफ दोज, बट आप लोग मेरी एडवाइस मत सुनिएगा, डॉक्टर पंचरथ की एडवाइस सुनिए. गम इज बेटर देन हैविंग कैंडीज. अच्छा डॉक्टर पंचरथ, ये बताइए दैट what should one look for when choosing a toothpaste for themselves or for their kids?
I'd say look for anti-cavity and anti-gingivitis toothpaste because ये दोनों एक अच्छा combination है to protect your teeth against gum disease as well as cavities both. And इसमें भी एक exception मैं कहूँगी that is small kids who tend to swallow their toothpaste, so look for fluoride free for them.
Right, मुझे याद है आपने पिछले एक शो में बताया था that while a lot of pediatricians recommend that fluoridated water should be given to little kids, but at the same time toothpaste में हम fluoride free use करें for very little kids because they have a tendency to like the taste and probably swallow more than they should. So great advice. आखिरी सवाल, what is better, drinking a cup of orange juice or eating 2 to 3 oranges?
I'd say eating 2 to 3 oranges. Firstly for the fiber and secondly orange में जो है less citric acid होता है concentrated comparatively to the juice and that washes away the enamel. So अगर आप juice पी रहे हैं या आप अपने बच्चे को juice दे रहे हैं तो definitely rinse their mouth right after that.
All right, so juices are very healthy, but at the same time अगर आप उनको natural और fresh form में खा सकते हैं तो why not? तो ये था आज का rapid fire round और डॉक्टर पंजरत आप तो अव्वल नंबर से पास हो गई हैं आज. Well, thank you so much for being here again and taking time out of your very busy schedule. ये थी डॉक्टर नवजोत पंजरत of Amazing Smile Dental of Sunnyvale. Dr. Panjrat practices in her Sunnyvale clinic with a team of experts and specialists. If you want to set up an appointment for yourself or your kids, call 408-739-6520. You can also go to their website, AmazingSmileDental.com. और अब हम लेते हैं थोड़ा सा ब्रेक, पर कहीं जाइएगा नहीं क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप इस गीत की कुछ पहेलियां बुझाएं और अपने बच्चों से भी पूछें. रेडियो फंडू. और जैसे कि मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, अगर शो अच्छा लग रहा है तो अपने दोस्तों को बताएं, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तो मुझे बताएं. राइट टू मी एट sarika@radiofundu.com or babymatters@radiofundu.com. We will welcome all the feedback. If you'd like to be a guest on our show, please call 650-799-9393. आशा है आपको गीत पसंद आया. गीत के पहेलियां आप बूझ पाए हो या ना बूझ पाए हो, हमारी आज की क्विज बड़ी आसान है. Today's quiz is actually a raffle sponsored by kidsexcel.com. This raffle is going to be drawn on April 30th. और बड़ा ही आसान काम है. kidsexcel.com पर जाइए. Like we were discussing, it's a great resource for parents to find after-school activity providers and also a great place for independent providers to promote their business to a targeted audience and potentially really increase their market share. You can list yourself for free and parents can look at the listings for free. तो आइए आपको थोड़ा raffle के बारे में बता दूं. All you need to do is go to kidsexcel.com, take a look at the list of providers and tell us the name of your favorite activity provider. Email at info@kidsexcel.com. That's info @kidsexcel kidzexcel.com. Email लिखिए और बताइए what's your favorite activity provider and let me tell you the prize. It's the award-winning Barnes and Noble's e-reader Nook Color. Pretty exciting prize. आप एक और जरिए से इस raffle में पार्ट ले सकते हैं. You can also write a review for one of the providers that you might have experience with. The more number of reviews you write, the higher your chances of winning because each review is going to be entered as a separate entry. तो फिर से बता दूं, raffle is going to be drawn on April 30th. Prize है Nook Color और आपको बताना है आपका favorite service provider at info@kidsexcel.com. Or you can also write a review. A review is obviously going to increase your chances of winning the prize. All right. तो हम बात कर रहे थे शिल्पा डालमिया से, founder of kidsexcel.com. So, Shilpa, I would personally really like to applaud you for this effort. You know, it's not easy to leave a stable career and become a stay-at-home parent. And the fact that you took this opportunity to utilize your skills, your talent, and your domain expertise to do something for the community is very, very commendable. And I hope it's also going to be extremely inspirational for our listeners, especially the moms. Because, you know, while it's great that as stay-at-home parents, we can spend a lot of time with our kids and give them a lot of attention. But it's very natural and very human sometimes to go through these feelings कि मेरी सारी जिंदगी क्या laundry, grocery और changing diapers में ही चली जाएगी क्या? You know, that feeling of lack of self-worth, if you will. So I really applaud you for this.
You know, Sarika, you're absolutely right. And one thing I would really like to mention here is that becoming a mom has been the most wonderful thing that has happened to me. It has helped me evolve personally and professionally. And I would really like to tell your listeners that there is a lot of support out there for moms like us. So please don't hesitate. Don't think that you're constrained because you have kids. Just follow your dreams.
All right, on that very encouraging note, let's play the next song dedicated to all the wonderful moms of the world. मेरे घर आई
हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, हो खुदा पे भी असर तो दुआओं का है घर। तेरी माँ प्यारी माँ।
I hope आप सब ने भी अपने दिलों में ये सॉन्ग अपनी माँ को डेडिकेट किया हो. सॉरी अबाउट द टेक्निकल चैलेंज अ लिटिल बिट. मुझे लगता है हमारे बोर्ड ऑपरेटर को हमारे पहले वाले गाने बड़े पसंद आ रहे थे, तो दोबारा प्ले कर दिए. माफी चाहती हूँ उसके लिए. बट लेट्स गो ऑन नाउ टू द होम रेमेडी सेक्शन ऑफ द शो. यू नो, जब मैं अच्छी खासी हट्टी कट्टी भी होती हूँ तो मेरी मॉम कहती है पिक्चर में बड़ी दुबली पतली लग रही हो. मॉम्स विल बी मॉम्स, ऑलवेज वरीड अबाउट देयर चिल्ड्रंस न्यूट्रिशन. तो शुभदा, आवर आयुर्वेदिक एक्सपर्ट, वेलकम अगेन. और ये बताइए, हाउ डू वी इंक्रीज आवर चिल्ड्रंस एपेटाइट?
Sarika, every child's capacity to digest food is different. Sometimes the digestive fire or the Agni is low. A few household herbs or spices that can really help with improving Agni are ginger, black pepper, cumin, fennel, coriander, and ajwain. To improve your child's appetite, you can give a mixture of ginger and black pepper mixed in honey before each meal. About half a teaspoon should be good. You can also make a tea by boiling few seeds of cumin, ajwain, coriander, black pepper in water. Add sugar or honey and have your child take a few sips before each meal.
Thank you so much, Shubhata. These were some very appetizing remedies. So stock your pantry with these herbs. Jate jate, some food for thought. If you want your children to keep their feet on the ground, put some responsibility on their shoulders. आशा करती हूँ आपको आज का शो अच्छा लगा. I hope you had fun listening to it as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Until next week, Sarika is signing off. Happy parenting.
Tired of bad breath problems, stained teeth, fillings and crowns falling apart, root canals hurting? Call Dr. Navjot Pandrop at 408-739-6520. Dr. Navjot has over 10 years of experience and works with a great team of specialists and dentists like Dr. Breitenbach. They're conveniently located in Sunnyvale at 689 East Remington Drive, Suite B, across from the Sunnyvale Community Center. Most insurance plans accepted. Same-day emergency appointments available. Call today to make an appointment at 408-739-6520 and receive special discounts for bringing in friends and family. Take advantage of your yearly maximum and FSA before December for checkups and cleanings. Get a free whitening kit with your treatment, valid for new PPO and cash payments on treatments for this month only. To make an appointment, call today at 408-739-6520 or visit AmazingSmileDental.com.